In today's video, I'm going to teach you install Google Play Store on Windows. The most reliable way to get the Play Store running on a Windows PC is by using an Android emulator. Emulators create a virtual Android device on your computer, and BlueStacks is a popular option because it comes with the Google Play Store already built in. That means you are not hunting for separate downloads or risky installers. Everything you need is packaged and ready to go. First, head to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer for Windows. Sticking to the official site helps you avoid tampered files. Before you begin, it helps to close any heavy apps so the install goes smoothly. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. The default options are fine for most people, and the setup only takes a few minutes depending on your connection and storage speed. Once the installation finishes, open the BlueStacks app player from your desktop or Start menu. The first launch can take a bit longer as it initializes the Android environment, so give it a moment. You'll land on a familiar Android-style home screen. On that home screen, click the System Apps folder inside. Select Google Play Store. Make sure you are connected to the internet since the Play Store will need to verify your device and fetch content. When the Play Store opens, sign in with your Google account. This is the same account you might use on your Android phone or in Gmail. Signing in safely links your apps, purchases, and backups so you can access them on Windows too. If you use extra sign-in protection, simply follow the prompts. Don't share any personal credentials with anyone and avoid typing sensitive information on shared machines. After you are signed in, use the search bar at the top to find the Android apps you want. Click Install on any apps page. BlueStacks will download and install the app just like a phone would, and your new app will appear on the BlueStacks home screen. From there, click to open and use it. Many apps work great with keyboard and mouse, and you can resize the window for comfort. And that's it. Enjoy exploring your favorite Android apps on your PC. And take your time customizing your experience so everything feels natural with keyboard and mouse. Thanks for watching.